What's up guys, in this video let's go ahead and check out a good smart artificial intelligence that could help you out with your crypto trades. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so smart artificial intelligence, the link will be in the description of the video. So as the word itself guys, artificial intelligence, meaning it's like machine learning. That's why it's called smart. So it's like automating your trades, but then the computer always adjusts to whatever the circumstances is doing with the crypto market. So in its broader sense, artificial intelligence is a self-learning creation algorithms that allow a computer to perform creative functions. So I would like to take this opportunity to show you guys. So I'm logged into my account and let me show you how much my account has earned for the past couple of days. So if you see here, I invested $263.07. So the estimated earnings that I got from that investment is already at $50.51. How good is that, right? I mean, so I just invested the Apex coin in there and then just, waited it out. Didn't really have to make manual trades and all those stuff. Just wait it out. I mean, just a couple of days, and this is profit that we got out of that already. So these are all the computations. So the amount that you have earned for the entire investment period is $23.38. Total amount to accrue interest, so you have $1.16. Expire period is 40 days. So imagine guys, it hasn't been even 20 days since I started that investment, and what more can we expect after 40 days, right? So investment body, that's the amount of the investment that we did, 263. So that is very, very good. So again guys, I would strongly suggest that you do your own research first. But again, I'm showing you how much the earnings are for the past couple of days of investing those Apex coin. Here, I will show you how we also got another $140. So from the activity here, if we go to the partners network, okay, so it will show the invites that we had and how much commissions we got out of those invites. So if you could see here, you have level 1, level 2, and level 3. We got $140 commission from the deposit that Shilan Mustafa did. So with that, we could go ahead and see here in the bridge. What I'm gonna do is, out of the 140 USDT that we have, okay, so what I'm going to do is I will bridge and convert $40 of that into Apex coin, and then we will reinvest that to the smart AI. So let me go ahead and then 40. So let me just enter the pin here and then preview. Okay. And it will show you on screen before you even confirm the exchange how much you will be exchanging and how much you will be receiving. All right. So if you could confirm that exchange, go ahead and do so. It will exchange that into Apex coin, wherein we could set that and reinvest in the Apex AI. So going back here, Apex SAIF, clicking that again. And then here, you would see that our $40 have been included here. So we also have our earned Apex coin, which is right around like $32.33. And let's invest that total Apex coin back again. All right, so preview that. And then let's see. Let's do Bitcoin again, okay? And then Binance, or let's do Bitcoin, all right? So choose trading exchanges, let's do Binance. And then preview, okay? And then you would see there like the summary of what it's going to do, okay? So if you click on I agree with the terms, click on start earning, all right? So it says there 35 days. It's going to do the checking and all those good stuff. Just wait around for a quick few minutes. All right, so it's processing transactions, connecting to the cloud server, calculating required configuration, configure smart farming, and then finally starting up the AI modules. All right, so right after this reinvesting of the funds, what we are going to do is we are going to withdraw the remaining USDT that we have in our wallet and then transfer it to our MetaMask wallet. Okay, so that is actually one thing that I know you guys would really love to know, how you could withdraw your earnings, right? So if you go to wallets here, so you will see that we have $100 remaining in our balance. So let's go ahead and click on send. It will take us to the part where it's going to let us select what coin we would like that to be converted, sending it to the wallet. So once we click on that, it will let us choose what network. Okay, so let's choose the Ethereum network, and then the amount 100. Okay, so let's just enter the wallet address. All right, and then overview. So you will see here that there's a $2 fee. Okay, so you just have to put your PIN and then click on approve. Right, so very, very straightforward way on how you could transfer your earnings over to your wallet. Right? But if you have any questions, I mean, with all the straightforward instructions and step-by-step ways on how you could do that, if you still have any questions, do not hesitate to click it's actually behind my face cam. So you will see here that there is a help button that you could send messages, or if you have any questions like how do I transfer or how do I withdraw. This is 24/7. All right, so that is also a good thing because Smart AI or Apex One wants to make sure that you guys are well taken care of. So they have like 24/7 customer support where you could inquire and ask them on whatever you have in mind. So moving along, guys, they also have a blog here where you could go ahead and check out what's going on, what are the new things that's happening in Apex. So what are the things that are new and what are the things that are going around with the Smart Apex One, right? So Scott Hall, Apex One co-founder, history is unfolding before our eyes and many people look to the future with hope and fear mixture. So right now the Bitcoin is doing good. You know, sometimes it goes down, but so hopefully it continues to do well and get into its bullish run. However, you could utilize this one, see for yourself. Again, do your own research. This is the white paper for Apex One, guys. We are not just learning surplus value. We are changing the world for the better. You can go ahead and check out their white paper as well and include that in your research. All right, so next one would be the team. So these are your team for Apex One. You can go ahead and check them out. And again, guys, so they did a face reveal and you could go ahead and check out who the people behind this project are. So you have Scott Hall, you have other people here, and all of the things that you want to know about them is available right here. Okay, let me also show you the YouTube channel of Apex One. So this is Apex One AI, and if you click on that, show you this one. And if you click on this channel right here, it will show you the other videos that they have. So go ahead and check it out. Include that in your own research. That way it'll be easier for you to get more information off the project. So guys, if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that subscribe and clicking that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.